Hello guys, in this video we are going to be talking about the Fleava Hair Growth Serum. Is this legit or another scam? So it's really funny to me that I don't know if this already offs you in the first moment you see this, but the branding already is very weird. What is GHQ? And then right here, they have a lot of as seen. This is very common tactic to get you to buy, and then it gives you the actual results. And then right here, 5 years of research, 90 days for great results. So here, they will convince you that you'll get your money back. You won't. Stimulate hair follicles. It won't. Fast results. It won't. It will just scam you out of your money. So they just give you result after result to make you think that you're getting a good deal. So in reality, when you go here in their Trustpilot and Fleava, basically fraudulent charge my credit card, fraudulent recurring charges. So as you can see, they steal your information, it doesn't work, and it randomly charges you out of nowhere. So this is a scam company, this is a scam e-commerce store basically. Please avoid it. They might get your info out of nowhere and use it to actually get money for themselves. So don't be fooled by the free worldwide shipping, limited stocks, and 60,000 packs sold. This is called a scarcity tactic and an urgency tactic. So it's just another scam. Please be aware and stay safe always.